Good morning. Today is April 20th, 2020. Our News to You article for today is titled Sharing Happiness. Many people are staying home more now. They're helping to stop the spread of the coronavirus. Some people may feel sad or scared. People are sharing happiness to help others feel better. Page 2. People are sharing happiness in their neighborhoods. Some people are putting lights onto their homes. People are putting lights under their trees too. Others see the bright lights at night. The lights can help others feel better. Page 3. Some people play musical instruments on balconies, on porches, and in yards. Others in the neighborhoods listen to the music. They may sing or dance in their yards. The music can help others feel better. Page 4. Some people are making chalk art to share happiness. People draw with chalk on sidewalks and driveways. They write happy messages too. Others see the chalk art. The chalk art can help them feel better. Some people are putting teddy bears into their windows. Others walk through the neighborhoods. They look for the teddy bears in the windows. They count the teddy bears they see. The teddy bears can help them feel better. Page 6. Some people are painting pictures of rainbows. They put the pictures into their windows. The pictures are colorful. Others see the pictures. The colorful pictures help them feel better. Page 7. Many people are staying home now. They are not going to restaurants, movie theaters, schools, or playgrounds. Many people feel sad about missing their friends. People may feel scared about the coronavirus. Sharing happiness can help others feel better. People are sharing happiness in their neighborhoods. People are sharing happiness with lights, music, chalk art, teddy bears, and pictures. What can you do to share happiness?